If you're looking forward to growing your hair much faster, trust me, you cannot do without this hair growth recipe. Just by watching this video to the end, you will know that you need this hair growth recipe in your life. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment that will not only boost your hair growth, but also treat your scalp of dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and any other hair problems that you might have. When chemicals damaged my hair, I had to do the big chop. Hair growth treatments like these using natural ingredients have helped me grow my hair much faster, fuller, and more beautiful. If you really want to learn how I do this, make sure you're watching this video to the end and you're not skipping any part of it. Without further ado, let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. And if you are new here, I am so happy to have you join us today. And on this channel, we love to have new viewers to join us by subscribing. So make sure to subscribe and click on the bell. And when you click on the bell, do not forget to select all so you do not miss any of my natural hair growth video. And hey y'all, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. Alright beautiful people, so one of my main ingredients for today's recipe is the curry leaves. You can get curry leaves on Amazon, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box so you can check it out in case you want to purchase one for yourself. I love curry leaves because of its great benefits. It is rich in protein and also beta carotene. It also has antioxidant properties that helps moisturize your scalp and also remove dead hair follicles. This will also strengthen your hair strength, prevent hair breakages or hair loss, as well as hair thinning. The next natural ingredient for today's recipe is the hibiscus. Hibiscus acts as a natural conditioner to the hair. It helps your hair to be very smooth and shiny. It can prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and also prevent hair breakages, hair thinning, or any other hair loss or hair problems that you might be facing. Hibiscus is really common to find and is very affordable. My next natural ingredient for today's recipe is cinnamon. Cinnamon is a cure for hair loss. Cinnamon can help prevent hair breakages, split ends, hair thinning, or any hair problems that you might be facing. Cinnamon are easy to find and very affordable as well. I do not need much, just one stick of cinnamon I'm going to use today. My next ingredient is the cloves. You all know I love my cloves. Cloves have so many great benefits for faster hair growth. It can help treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, prevent premature growing, and also improve the strength of your hair. My next ingredient is the rosemary herbs. Rosemary can stimulate blood flow into your scalp, which will in turn stimulate new hair growth. Rosemary can treat your hair of dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that you might be having. It can also add some shine to your hair and also strengthen your hair strength. Adding rosemary to your hair care regimen is very easy, affordable, and very beneficial. So if you haven't been incorporating rosemary herbs into your hair growth regimen, this is the time to start. Alright, so this is what I'm having now, and my next ingredient is my apple cider vinegar. You can use any brand of apple cider vinegar, just make sure it includes the mother. The acidic nature of the mother will help lower the hair's pH, which will in return combat hair dryness as well as hair frizziness. You all know the products that we use in our hair is mostly alkaline based. So whenever you use the apple cider vinegar, it helps balance your hair pH, which improves the overall strength of your hair as well as improving the health of your scalp. Apple cider vinegar is also known to contain some vitamins that are great for hair growth. Adding apple cider vinegar to your hair care regimen can help add some shine to your hair and also prevent your hair from breaking and improve the overall strength of your hair strands. I added about 80 ml of the apple cider vinegar. Then after that, I'm going to add some lukewarm water. I'm just going to top it up till my mason jar is full. And look at that. Okay, so it's very important you dilute your apple cider vinegar. Do not use it by itself because it's very acidic. And I'm going to show you some other things I'm going to even add to this to make this recipe a great one. So just give it a quick stir, and after that I'm going to set it aside and leave it for about 2 hours so that it can infuse into the apple cider vinegar. So it's been after 2 hours and it's time to strain my treatment. So I'm just going to use a strainer and I'm going to transfer it into a bigger bowl. And here you are, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, What are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIY for hair growth like these, you will be notified. So after straining my mixture like so, I'm still going to dilute it even more. So I'm just going to add some water to this mixture to top it up to make sure it is really diluted. Do not add apple cider vinegar in its raw state to your hair. My next ingredient is the orange. Oranges have antioxidant properties as well as other nutrients that can help you grow your hair much faster. The antioxidants fight off free radicals, which in return helps to prevent hair loss, hair breakages, hair fall, or any hair thinning. This will in return boost your hair growth and help you grow much healthier, thicker, and fuller hair. Using orange peels regularly can help make your hair much smoother and shinier. You can use it in your hair mask, hair oil, in so many ways that you can use orange peels to grow your hair. It can also prevent your hair of dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any other scalp issues that you might be facing. What I love about this recipe is all the ingredients have similar properties that will help you boost your hair growth. So I'm going to put all these peels in our treatment. So I'm going to give it a good stir and I'm going to set it aside for about 30 minutes so it can infuse into my treatment. So it's been about 30 minutes and now my treatment is all ready. So at this point, I'm just going to take the orange peels out of the treatment. And if you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it because I really enjoyed filming it. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. So I'm going to show you how to use this treatment. There are so many ways that you can use this treatment. You can use it as a prepoo to rinse your hair, or you can use it as a last rinse after everything. This time I use it as a last rinse. So my hair is washed, conditioned. I washed out the condition and now this is my last rinse. I love to use it this way because I'm able to get it to every part of my hair without stress, but the mess to clean after is a lot. Just look at how shiny my hair is looking. Just using this one time, you will know it's going to improve your hair growth because your scalp is going to feel really clean and also your hair is going to look shinier, smoother, and very softer. After that, just put a cap on your hair, leave it for about 30 minutes, then just rinse it out with water, only water. And this is my hair after rinsing it out. You can see it still has some shine to it and those little curls are popping. My hair feels so soft. You just have to give this a try and be consistent with it and you will definitely see results after being consistent with it. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you haven't done so already and do not forget to watch the video you see on your screen right now.